Kaveh from Iran.
Maria from Indonesia.
Nicole from the Philippines.
Hi, Amber from Uganda.
Ni from Nigeria.
Jomel from Philippines.
Vicky from Israel.
Elena from England.
Jing from China.
Ramya from India.
Abdo from Egypt.
Azania from Zimbabwe.
Ivona from Czechia.
Carlos from Mexico.
Zairo from Syria.
Mazi from Poland. Radeep from India.
Wahid from Egypt.
Sayuri Sina.